Hello class 12. In our last class we have completed the topic carbohydrates and we have started with proteins. And proteins, we came to know that they are made up of amino acids, and amino acids contain amino, NH2 and carboxyl, that is acid functional groups. Now, depending upon the relative position of amino group with respect to carboxyl group, the amino acids can be classified as alpha, beta, gamma, delta and so on. And it has been found that only alpha amino acids are obtained on hydrolysis of proteins. They may contain other functional group as well. Okay, now this is the general structure for amino acid. Any amino acids will have this general structure. Over here, this is known as alpha amino acid, since the functional group carboxylic acid is attached to a carbon atom, so this carbon atom can be called as alpha, and so amino group is attached to it, so alpha amino acid. Fine. And this R can be side chain. Okay, so we'll see that when this value of R changes, what will be the different names of the amino acids. And all amino acids have trivial names which usually reflect the property of that compound or its source. Glycine is so named since it has sweet taste. So glycine means when in place of R, if you have got H, other remains the same, H, then that will be glycine, and it has been named because it has sweet taste, which has come from the Greek word glykos, means sweet. Triosine, which was obtained from cheese. In Greek, trios means cheese. Amino acids are generally represented by a 3-letter symbol. So if you have to represent a amino acid, it is represented by a 3 letters. Sometimes 1-letter symbol is also used. Sometimes we only used 1 letter as well. We'll see that thing. Structures of some commonly occurring amino acids along with their 3-letter and 1-letter symbols are given in table 14.2 that we are going to see. So these are the tables. So this is the general structure of amino acids. Over here we will change only the value for R and name it by different names. Say for example, the name of the amino acids are given characteristic feature of side chain, that means the R. If R is this, what will happen, what will be the structure, what will be the name, 3-letter symbol, how it is written, and 1-letter code. 1-letter code. Okay, so if it is glycine, this R will be H, and in 3-letter symbol it is written as GLY, the first 3-letter, GLY, glycine, and 1-letter code is only G. Alanine, that R will be CH3 and it will be 3-letter will be ALA, A. Valine, similarly, that R will be CH3 twice, CH, valine, VAL, capital V. Leucine, that is CH3 to CH, CH2, LEU, and capital L. So these are the different idea about the amino acids. How we can draw the different amino acids by just replacing this R, the value, and what will be their name, their 3-letter symbol, and their 1-letter code as well. We see other example, isoleucine as well, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH, the value of R, it will be ILE. Okay, and it is written as I. Arginine, the functional group, the group for R will be this one, ARG, R. Lysine, NS2, CS2, 4, LYS, K. Glutamic acid, CS2, CS2, COH, glutamic acid, GLU, E. Aspartic acid, CS2, COH, ASP. Okay, glutamine, this function, the value for R will be this one. Asparagine, this one. Threonine, this one. Serine, CS2OH. Okay, accordingly their 3-letter symbol and their respective 1-letter code is given. Next we have got cytosine, CS2HS, CYS, capital C. Then phenylaniline, CS2, C6H5, PHE, F. Tyrosine, CS2, C6H4OH, TYR. Tryptophan, tryptophan, TRP, W. Histidine, this is structure, HIS. Okay, their attachment over will be here, R. Okay, and proline. Okay, now if you see there is a mark of asterisk, these are essential amino acids. Okay, we'll come to know what is essential amino acids. Okay, now classification of amino acids. Now if you see some of the structures there, we observe that in amino acid already there is a presence of one amino and one acid group. If there is a more number of NH2 group, that means NH2 is basic, that becomes basic amino acid. And if there is a more number of carboxylic acid group than NH2, then it will be acidic amino acid. And if the number of acid as well as base is equal, then it will be neutral amino acids. So amino acids are classified as acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the relative number of amino and carboxyl groups in their molecule. Equal number of amino and carboxyl groups makes it neutral. As I said, more number of amino than carboxyl groups make it basic, and more carboxyl groups as compared to amino groups makes it acidic. The amino acids which can be synthesized in the body are known as non-essential amino acids. Okay, in our body also, our body can synthesize some amino acids. They are known as non-essential amino acids. That means there is no need to take that amino acids from outside. Whereas on the other hand, there are some amino acids which cannot be synthesized in our body, and we need to take in, we must be obtained from through our diet, that are known as essential amino acids. So remember that in the table that I have given to you, the amino acids marked with asterisk, they are essential amino acid. That means this amino acids cannot be synthesized in our body and we need to take through our diet. They are known as essential amino acids. Fine. Now today's assignment number 6. Question number 1, define polysaccharides, give examples. Question number 2, what are amino acids, give its general structure. And after that, question number 3, draw the structure of the following amino acids. Draw the structure of the following amino acids. Please write down its three letter symbol as well. Okay, glycine, alanine, leucine. So you need to draw the structure, the general structure. You know, just replace the value for R. What is needed for glycine, alanine, leucine, lysine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, serine, and histidine, and write down its structure. That will be question number 3. Question number 4 will be, give one example of the following types of amino acids: acidic, basic, and neutral. And lastly, question number 5, differentiate between essential and non-essential amino acids. So complete this assignment and send it in